입태영 낭독 121일차 갑니다. Talk about attractive voices. In my entire life, I never gave much thought to my voice, to be honest. I never even really listened attentively to it. But after taking up 입태영 recitations, I heard my voice properly for the first time. It didn't really sound appealing to me. It made me wish that I could have a steady voice. So I started listening to the English tones of people whose voice I admire. I tried to follow along. That's when it struck me that it wasn't just their voice that I liked. I admired their attitude, wit, and the sincerity of the content. These days, I think that clear enunciations and pronunciations are more important than just the voice itself. What's more, anyone can come across as attractive if they speak from the heart. When it comes to the attractive voice, yes, it's just talented. Someone maybe think about, but I think the voice which makes me much attractive, we can practice, and then we can change our voice. As the writers mentioned about the effort that the process of challenging change the voice from the old and new, that they would like to make it different. So I think we should follow up. Once you just select its model sound, model voice of typical people, and you just mimic. Somehow active, somehow non-active, but just properly, just a proper sound that you make, just follow up. And you can try to record your voice based on the content it look like, it sound like. So, and also like this is a little bit different, but attractive voice means somehow attractive song that you would like to sing a song, just as the musician you would like to cover. So the point is, the bottom line of today 입태영 recitation is the keep practicing, keep mimicking, keep following based on the content you would like to be just like them, just like it. Alright? Thank you for your listening, Perry.